Hello viewers, I know you may have seen so many courses on Android app development on many online platforms. But have you seen a course which teach you an app development from starting to ending with all its features and implementations? Maybe no. In this course, I will teach you a quiz app from scratch to finish, and the best part is that you will get its source code for commercial use. Hello, myself Subrat Sir. I am a professional Android app developer and coding teacher. Let us have a look at the apps those I published on Play Store. Now let us have a look at our quiz app that we are going to build in this course. This is the quiz app that we are going to build in this course. So you can download it from Play Store and have a live look at its different features. Now let us open our application. So as you see, it has an animated splash screen and its version is controlled through a real-time database of Firebase. Suppose you updated a new version on Play Store, then you change it from the Firebase. Suppose I made it 3. Now you see the app automatically restarted and showing that update now. You are using an older version. Many features may not be available. And look at here. This is a custom dialog box. Okay. So in this course, you will also learn how to create a custom dialog box. Each and every feature that I used in this app, I will explain you step by step in an easy to understandable manner. Now, let us click on OK. So it will redirect us to Play Store so that we can update that application. And if we are clicking on cancel, then the app will be closed. Now let us again change this to version 2 and try to open the app. So the application is opening perfectly. Means we can control the version directly through online. So if user is using an older version, we can block that as per our choice, as per our requirement. If we want to block. If we don't want to block, then don't change the version number from here. Then another thing, let's close the app. Let's switch off the internet. Now this app is completely online, but you can make it offline. Okay. So as I made it online, so without internet, it should not run. So when I am trying to open it without internet, the app will automatically close and show a message, network connection required. See at this bottom of screen, network connection required. Okay. Now again, I will switch on internet and then I will open it. Now it is opening. Then why I made it online? Because you can add questions online as per your choice. From time to time you can add new questions. No need to update the application. Okay. Once you created the application, online you can add the questions. It will automatically updated in the app. This app has a custom navigation bar. You can create this custom navigation bar as per your choice, your image, your logo, everything as per your choice you can use within this. Clicking on the back button or clicking on this no button will leave the app. But before that, it is asking, like the content, please rate us 5 stars. So it is asking for rating. Clicking on OK will again redirect to Play Store so the user can give rating to your app. Suppose the user gave the rating and don't want to see this message again. So click on don't show this again. Now when you run the app and try to exit from this, now see that message not showing again. Okay, so click on exit, will be exited from that application. Now let's try to run our quiz. So click on yes. 5 questions will come randomly from this set of questions. And here you see that timing is showing now 30 seconds. From 30 seconds, 30, 29, 28, 27, like this. Okay, the countdown starts from 30. But here if you set the time, different time for different question, then it will show accordingly. Means this timer time you can set different for different questions. Okay, then after completion of quiz, you can challenge this to your another friend. And the best part, we have used AdMob, and I will guide you how to use AdMob, banner and interstitial ad in your quiz app. Then see, my result is 0 out of 4, 5. Now suppose I want to challenge one of my friend, then I can click here, challenge a friend. Then I will search for the friend who is using this application, then click on challenge. Now challenge given to my friend. When he will accept the challenge, I can see the result. Let us close this one and come to our home screen. See here, show all quiz performances. So this is showing all my performances. And these challenges are received either from any other students or directly from the application. Which quiz you are using, that quiz challenge you will receive randomly from the machine, and that will show you my name, Subrat Sir. If you have WhatsApp installed on your mobile phone, then clicking on this one will send a WhatsApp message to the given number. Here, as we have not installed WhatsApp, that's why it is not showing anything. It is going to the web version of the WhatsApp. So everything controlled from Firebase. We are using Firebase authentication. We are using Firebase real-time database. We are using Firebase storage. Okay. We are using Firebase Crashlytics. So what are you waiting for? Enroll this course today and start creating your application, and after that upload it to Play Store or any other app store. Thank you.